Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to upgrade or replace the hard drive in a 2006 to 2008 MacBook. Start by powering down the MacBook, then unplugging the charger and any other cables. Flip the MacBook upside down onto a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using a coin or flathead screwdriver, rotate the battery lock to its unlocked position. Now lift the battery up and out. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws holding this shield on. Pull the shield off and put it aside. To take out the hard drive, grab the plastic pull tab and now pull the hard drive out of its bay. We will now talk about what drives we can use in our MacBook. The white and black MacBooks support up to a 2TB hard drive or solid state drive, with a 2.5-inch laptop form factor, using the SATA interface. Today I'll be changing this 250GB hard drive to a 500GB hard drive. After pulling out the hard drive, unscrew the 4 screws from the sides of the drive. Now remove the thin metal bracket. Place the bracket onto the new drive, then screw in the 4 screws. With the SATA connector facing up, slide the drive into its bay. Now push in the drive until it clicks into its connector. Reinstall the shield and screw in the 3 Phillips head screws. Slot the battery down into its connector. Push the battery down, then turn the lock to its locked position. You can now install your operating system onto the hard drive via a USB or DVD. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it has helped you out. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my videos.